the 0 point energy field, the energy density of the 0 point field is unimaginably large. If you consider all potential frequencies, all potential wavelength modes, oscillatory modes, it has an infinite energy density. If you use a cutoff of the Planck frequency, then it has like 10 to the 113 joules per meter squared, which is, in a meter, in a cubic meter, there's more energy than the observable universe.
Yeah, and also, how would you explain that? So in terms of like what that would mean for someone. So how much, I think I heard this somewhere, that to fuel the globe for a year, it would take, like, how much energy would that one cube, sugar cube volume of space would fuel the globe for how long?
Well, you actually can't even do that computation because the energy is so great. I mean,
It would be years or decades.
well, because you have to take it down to even start to do those kind of comparisons. I mean, you don't even consider a cubic meter as ZPE, a 0 point energy density,
Right,
because
renormalization,
it's more energy output than the entire universe,
yeah,
the entire observable universe.
yeah.
So, the amount of energy in a cubic meter of the 0 point energy density, you could create another universe. So it's like, I mean, if you're talking about like just say that you could access a fraction of that energy density, then you would have a limitless supply of energy. It could, uh, power. It could satisfy global energy needs indefinitely.
Indefinitely. Okay.
And that's like, I'm talking about like accessing 0.00001% of that energy density. It would so satisfy our energy requirements indefinitely. And actually what it would do is transform our civilization, because you can look at it as like the Kardashev scale. Right now we're a type 0 civilization, which means that we generate and access all of our energy via dead plant matter, which is a kind of interesting way of accessing energy that was stored from the sun. As a type 0 civilization, if once you begin obtaining the capability to access the 0 point energy density, you immediately jump to like a type 1 civilization, type 2 civilization. And this is just meaning that you have the access, the energy accession capabilities of like the energy output of an entire star or an entire galaxy. And so with that, you can do, pretty amazing things, phenomenal things.
How long do you think we're before we get there?
Yeah, well, if you look at the past 100 years, we could have already gotten there. It's just that I don't know if it was orchestrated or just unfortunate decisions, in part on the physics community and the scientific community in general. Just that, there was this decision made that we were going to disregard the field. In the 19th century parlance, it was the luminiferous ether. That there was this kind of decision made to stop considering field-like resonance.
But are you guys working on this? You guys are working on this kind of technology, right?
Oh yeah. So that's our primary objective.
Yeah.
So we can look back and see where there was opportunities, even in the past 100 years, that this technology could have already
Yeah,
been
I
developed.
saw was it Stephen Greer's The Lost Century and how to
Yeah,
yeah, I saw
that's a
that.
great
Yeah,
example of it. Yeah,
yeah.
and so uh, yeah, we're focused on
That
developing technology that is going to access that energy, and part and parcel with that is being able to engineer the space-time manifold. So being able to modulate the geometry of space that is gravitational control. So that would immediately enable us to become a interstellar species, and very quickly you're stepping into the realm of
black,
Homo universalis.
yeah, Homo
Yeah,
universalis, yeah.
yeah.